Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to export your Claude conversations on your desktop or browser. First, navigate to the bottom left corner of the Claude.ai interface. Click on your profile name or initials and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Privacy section. Scroll down until you see the Export Data button. Click it and a confirmation prompt will appear. Once you confirm, Claude will start preparing your file. Within a few minutes, you'll receive an email from Anthropic with a download link. This link is usually only active for 24 hours, so make sure you download it right away. The export arrives as a zip file containing your history in JSON format. While this isn't very readable for humans, you can open it with a text editor or use a free JSON to PDF converter online to turn it into a clean document. And that's it. Your data is now safe and stored locally on your machine. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.